What's up, Awesome Fit family? Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp two different ways. So we got two different dishes with two different dipping sauces. They're both going to be delicious. If you're on the Camp 6-Week Challenge, you are able to make these recipes. And if you're just a member and you're looking to hit any sort of fitness goals like lose fat, build muscle, these dishes are going to be perfect for you because shrimp is high in protein, low in fat. So that's going to allow you to stay in a caloric deficit longer and allow you to hit your fitness goals. So let's get into it. The first recipe we're going to start with today is the chili lime shrimp with the cilantro lime dipping sauce on the side. Now we're going to make the dipping sauce first because we can just make it up, put it in the fridge, and then go from there. So here are the ingredients we're going to use today for the sauce. We're going to grab our cilantro first and just cut it up into small little pieces and grab some garlic. I'm just going to grab one clove here, smash, and cut it up. If you have a microplaner, that would be better because this is a sauce. But I'm just gonna cut it up as much as I can. Put it to the side here. These are your ingredients for the sauce. It's pretty simple. Now I'm just gonna grab my fancy plate or bowl and just put everything in it. Once I squeeze the lime in there, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it up. And like I said, put it to the side, put it in the fridge, let those ingredients marinate together. Now it's time to move on to the main dish. We got our chili lime shrimp. Here are the ingredients you're gonna need. So I'm gonna start with my 1 pound of shrimp. I'm just gonna rinse it off. It defrosts pretty quickly and this process makes it quicker. So I'm gonna grab my fancy clear bowl here and just put all those ingredients into this bowl. We got those garlic, the lime zest, the salt, and then of course the chili powder. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna do a half of the juice of a lime. So let's take that lime, give it a good squeeze, and then grab my shrimp and put it in there. And I'm just gonna mix it up for a few minutes and it should look like this after a couple minutes. And I'm just gonna put this to the side and let those ingredients marinate into those little cute shrimp. I'm just gonna take my nonstick spray, put it in that pan, which I have on high. Drop those babies in there. If you like this video so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, the thumbs up button. Just let me know you like the video, like the ingredients. So we're gonna cook this for about a minute on each side. So very quick cooking process. And there you have it. Beautiful. Let's give it a taste. There's nothing I like more than cilantro, chili, and lime. Those seasonings fit so well together, especially on like a shrimp because that shrimp is so fresh, snaps perfectly. The coldness of the sauce with the warm shrimp, it comes together beautifully. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, but I love it. 10 out of 10. Let's go. This next recipe really takes me back to my childhood. When I was a kid, I used to eat pounds and pounds of fresh shrimp with cocktail dipping sauce. Such a versatile dish. You can take it to barbecues, family functions, have it for dinner. We're gonna start with our sauce first, our cocktail sauce. A little bit more ingredients than the last recipe, but well worth the time and effort you're putting into it. We're gonna go ahead and put our oven to a broil at high. Just start that bad boy up and start cutting these tomatoes in half. Now this is gonna make a lot of sauce. You can probably cook like 3 pounds of shrimp to utilize all this sauce that we're gonna be making. So go ahead and half those tomatoes and then grab your cooking pan with your parchment paper on top. Put them on there, grab some salt and pepper, crack it right over. I'm just gonna put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to take it out and it should look a little bit like this. And I'm just gonna put it to the side and let it rest for about 15 to 20 more minutes just to let it cool off a little bit. Then I put it in the food processor, grab my ingredients and start putting it in. I'm gonna start with the horseradish. I'm gonna grab a lemon, start squeezing it. Now this recipe seems a little intimidating for people who don't like spicy food, but this lemon really knocks down the spice, so you're gonna just get the depth of flavor with the horseradish and the Tabasco. So my girlfriend, she really does not like spicy foods at all. Literally 0 spice is what she likes, but she actually really liked this dipping sauce. So give it a try. After all the ingredients are in the food processor, I'm just gonna give it a quick, short, sweet little blend. That's about it. Perfect. So the consistency should look a little bit like this. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a little ramekin and put it in the fridge, let it cool off, and start with my shrimp boil. Super simple to make this now. These are all the ingredients you need, not very many. That's how I like it. So what we're gonna do is start with a pan of water. Nice cold water there, and I'm just gonna dump my shrimp in there. It could be shrimp that's frozen or shrimp that's not frozen. Grab my lemon, put some peppercorns in there, and then just drop 1 bay leaf for a little flavor. Go ahead and put this on the stovetop. Then I'm gonna put the stovetop on high, and as the temperature of the water increases, it's gonna be slowly cooking that shrimp perfectly. Now I'm just gonna skim some of the fat off the top here, and then I'm gonna see there's a slight rolling boil. That's when I know the shrimp is done. I drain it, I immediately put it in a cold plunge. This stops the cooking process immediately, and then you have fresh, perfectly cooked shrimp with your cocktail sauce on the side. If you like these recipes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on making one of these 2 dishes and how it turned out. I look forward to those comments, and I'll see you on the next video.